Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to teach you how to install JDK 11 with the new version on Java 11. So pretty much we going to our command prompt and run as administrator. Click yes. I already got Java version 11 installed, but in order to do that we're going to follow a few steps. Just pause the video, make sure you follow every single step on this tutorial. So now I'm going to deactivate my Java 11. So come PC properties, advanced system settings, right. So okay, the system variables, we've got a variable called path. So as you can see here, we've got Java 11 with JDK 11. So if I delete that, and close this and open a new one. Okay, so if I type now Java version, as you can see now I've got version 10. So it's pretty simple. You just go to Oracle website. Okay, you open your browser and search for JDK 11. Once you do that, we're going to basically to the Oracle website. As you can see, we are on Java Development Kit 11. So to do that, we just need to accept the licensing, and we're going to download the executable file. So we're going to save the file. Okay, when your download is finished, you just right click on the file and run as administrator. Okay, and you press yes. Here we go. So we're just going to press next. Here, this is where I'm about to install the JDK 11. You can change the directory. It's up to you. I'm just gonna press next, and okay, the installation is finished. So we're going to press close. Now we're going to open a new command prompt, and if you type Java version, we still got version 10, right? What you need to do now is basically go to your computer properties and click here, advanced system settings, environment variables, and on the system variables you will see a path variable. You just double click and we're going to add a new entry, and we're going to copy our JDK folder installation. Well, mine is on C, program files, Java, JDK 11, bin. So basically we're going to copy that path to our system variable. So you're going to add new, going to do that, and then we're going to press OK. You go there again, double click, and you need to move until the very top of the list. Okay, once it's done, just press OK, OK, and OK. And now we're going again to the command prompt. Remember, run as administrator. And if we type now java.version, you should be, well, we have Java 11 installed already. Let's check our compiler, javac for the compiler, and we type javac/version, and we've got all set. So that's pretty much how to install JDK 11 on Windows, and I hope that tutorial helped you. You just smash the like button, leave your comments below if you had any trouble in installing Java 11 on your machine, and I'll see you in the next video.